Hi YouTube, I'm Jazz, and welcome to Jazzy Draws.
How to draw anime girl.
I drew the head and I mapped out where my shoulders would be. The arm has to be twisted to the side because I'm going to draw her waving. Drawing the torso. And her other hand is going to be just rested on her hip. Now, I don't know about you, but artists have a really hard time drawing hands, okay? I don't know what it is with the hands. I thought maybe if I chill out on that hand and go on to the next, I would feel a little better. So I'm just mapping out where the creases of the palm would be. Notice that it's an actual hand and it's not flat. So it took me a few tries to get this properly on her hip. I like to draw nice wispy lashes for my eyes because I just think that the whole doe eye looks really pretty. I would always want to be looked at as like somebody with like nice big huge lashes, even though I don't really have them in real life. I drew her with a little nervous mouth. And here I go with the lashes. Yes, I exaggerate my lashes quite a bit. Make them nice and big and hello in your face. And here she is. If you liked this video and you want to see more, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. I hope to see you in another Jazzy Draws.